Hello everyone, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is May 15th, 2025, and we're diving into the QQQ, examining both the latest market news and the technical chart data to formulate a trading strategy. Recent news indicates a mixed market, with the S&P 500 rally showing signs of wavering. However, the Nasdaq has shown some relative strength, driven by tech stocks and AI optimism. Tariff relief, thanks to reduced duties between the US and China, seems to be a contributing factor, but unknowns remain. Now, let's switch over and look at the QQQ chart and see what insights we can glean. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that QQQ has experienced significant volatility recently. We saw a major drop in early April, followed by a strong recovery. The most recent candles show a relatively consistent climb. However, we are seeing it test what appears to be a resistance level around $518.68. Let's narrow it down to the hourly chart, showing only the last few days, to get a better idea of what's going on more recently. On this chart, we can see that QQQ recently broke above the 517 level. It's now testing the 518.68 resistance level. If it breaks above 519, it could signal a continuation of the upward trend. Let's switch back to the daily chart to put all of this in perspective. We need to keep an eye on the $507 level. If QQQ fails to hold above it, we could see a retracement back down to the $500 level. However, sustained positive news regarding tariff relief or strong earnings reports could act as a catalyst for QQQ to break through the resistance and test new highs. The news indicates that cooling trade tensions are beneficial to equities, so that bodes well for the long term. To recap, key price levels to watch are $507 as a major support and $518.68 as short-term resistance. A break below $507 could lead to a test of $500, making it a good point to consider a short position. A break above $519 could signal a continuation of the rally to new highs. In the short term, QQQ is showing signs of strength and upward pressure. In the long term, a break past $519 with continuous trade tension relief is a bullish indicator. Keep an eye on the news for tariff updates and earnings reports, as they will heavily influence price action.